Step out of your home if it is only necessary. This statement is given by Girish Mahajan. As we have seen from past few days, the heat has been increased in Pune and other parts of Maharashtra also. Right now, I'm standing in Pune where the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the heat. Right now, I'm standing under the open sun, and within just few minutes, you can feel how strong and uncomfortable the heat is. This is the current situation not only in Pune but across many parts of Maharashtra. According to IMD, temperatures across the state have increased sharply over the past few days, and this heat is expected to continue in coming days also. A heat wave alert have been issued in 23 districts. This includes Mumbai, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Pune, Nasik, Ahmednagar, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Nanded, Akola, Amravati, and other districts also. Latur is also included in this. Because of this situation, authorities are clearly advising people to step out only if it is necessary, especially during the afternoon hours. However, on the ground in Pune, the impact is clearly visible during the peak afternoon summer time. Roads are less crowded. Many people are choosing to stay indoors to avoid the heat. Those who are outside are trying to protect themselves. Some are using like the scarves, sun coat, and others are covering their head with scarves or caps to stay safe from the direct sunlight. Even though in some areas there may be slight cloud cover, but it is not giving much relief. The heat remains strong and uncomfortable throughout the day. People here say that even stepping out for a short time feels like very tiring. Workers like driver staff, traffic police, and street vendors are facing the biggest challenge as they have to stay outside for the long hours in this heat. As we have seen, at present there is no much relief expected. The heat wave conditions are likely to continue for next few days across the Pune and other parts of the Maharashtra. As we have seen, special care is needed for the children, elderly people, and those with heat problems and those with the health problems, as they are more at risk during the extreme heat. Avoid going out between 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., which is the hottest time of the day. We have to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, wear light and loose clothes, and try to stay in cool or shaded places as much as possible. Doctors and officials are also giving simple but important advice to the citizens. People here to say people here to say that everything, as we have seen on the roads of Pune also, the roads are less crowded and people are covering themselves with umbrellas, sun coats, caps. As we have seen, in upcoming weeks also and days also, the heat wave may be extended. There is no may be extended. As we have seen, Girish Mahajan has stated that, has given the comment that go outside only if it is necessary. As we have seen, the heat wave is extended for coming days also, and intense of summer intense of summer is seen in Pune and other parts of Maharashtra also. I am Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.